Hey guys, we're at Harajuku Station in Tokyo. It's TokyoPaul360. We are on the lookout for Totally Drew, another happy, great YouTuber. He said he's at the front of Takeshita Street, so we're on our way now back. It's a nice Sunday right before noon morning in Harajuku. It's already a lot of people chilling, shopping, doing whatever, and I'm just walking around looking for a live streamer. Let's be on the lookout. I don't know what he's wearing. I don't know if he's walking or standing still. Takeshita Street is up ahead to the right side of the street. We have the JR train that was just on the left side. And I don't know. Let's see if we find him. Actually, let's see. Maybe he's alone and such. Oh, there he is. We found him. He's pretty easy to find. That was a goal that quickly reached. Hi, Totally Drew.
How are you?
Nice to finally meet you.
Hey, how are you, man?
Hi, thank you
Are
for.
you filming?
I am.
Oh,
I'm filming.
That's the crazy ass camera, right?
This is the Kendall 8K.
Oh.
It's not the GoPro Max, but
Oh, okay.
I've been using this recently.
I've noticed something in your videos that is, but I don't know. Maybe it was because I had it set wrong. I have no idea.
Are you live streaming now?
Not yet.
Okay.
Still setting up.
Okay.
I can't get my cord.
Totally Drew.
Are you making a video to walk around?
Oh, okay. Sounds good.
I'm gonna visit Japan's first pulled pork shop.
Wow.
So we'll probably have lunch there.
Oh, sounds
I'm gonna get food and all kinds of different things.
good. You have an itinerary. Wow.
Oh yeah, and then we're gonna hit Omotesando,
Okay.
hit Cat Street,
Yeah.
a couple other places.
Yeah.
So
Love this
give
area.
you some good. Well, I don't know how well you are in live stream. I've watched your live stream a bit, but
This is a bit different.
my live streams are really engaging. Obviously, you've watched, right?
Almost everyone.
Trying to point the camera one way, point it back, address people in the comments, yada yada. It's tiring, but it's rewarding.
Yeah.
So, I'm gonna start right now. So
I'm ready.
I'll
Not
introduce
nervous at all.
you probably in about 2 minutes as we're live
Sounds
streaming
good.
here.
I'll just be that stranger walking in.
It takes a couple minutes for people to come in because there's no notifications.
Oh wow. See, if hold it like that.
So we're live, ladies and gentlemen. It'll take a few minutes for them to come in. Hopefully we'll get some people in here. Once I start seeing, it takes about 30 seconds or so.
So you don't use Streamlabs?
I do. Why the connection is bad.
This is Harajuku, I don't know why.
Yeah, the connection is kind of bad actually. Surprise enough.
Where's the 5G?
Oh, here we go. All right, Panda Moon, buddy, we are live from Harajuku. Please set your cog to 1080p. We are using Prism today. Starcy, hello, good morning. We are just checking out, waiting for people to join in. Sorry there's no notification today, guys. I am using Prism, of course. Jay Vlog, how are you? Mindy's mom, good morning. You can see Takeshita Street is just right over there, ladies and gentlemen. Today, as you can see by the title, we are going on a food tour, ladies and gentlemen. Fran O'Connor, good morning. We're going to be going to Japan's first pulled pork sandwich shop. I've already contacted them. They said I could do a live stream while we're in there. And, well, ladies and gentlemen, Irvin, good morning. Ison, good morning. I'd like to introduce you guys to somebody first off. And, well, hi guys, by the way. No hat today. I'm kind of chrome doming it today, but I have somebody with me today, and that is TokyoPaul.
Hi!
So,
Hey guys.
everybody, this is TokyoPaul. You've seen him in the chat before, and he's joining me on this food tour today.
Peace.
Talk a little bit about yourself. Who are you?
I'm TokyoPaul360. I'm from Maryland, and I love sushi. I was getting sushi.
Sushi?
today. I do.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
So, yeah, TokyoPaul has a channel. Moderators, some of you guys, if you can post this link. Hey, Adam, by the way, good morning. And I just wanted to invite TokyoPaul out. You guys have seen him in the chat, of course. And, well, you know what? It's time that we kind of hang out. Maybe we'll have some beers, some food, whatever we're going to do. But I just thought I'd take you guys around. And he's actually got his 360 camera thing going. He's filming also. Check out his channel, too. 2 baseball games and editing on FCP right now. Okay,
Cool.
Irvin. So let's take you guys along, and we'll just show you the sights and sounds of Harajuku. I hope everything works out quite well. It is nice to see a face to a name, and I literally just met him 10 minutes ago. So,
Yay!
Tim the Dude, how are you? So this here, of course, this is Harajuku Station. We are coming to the Takeshita Street, which is the exit here. And of course you will see, hey Ultraviolet, this is for you Ultraviolet.
Totally true. Takeshita Street.
Sandra, good morning. I am using Prism, so give me a bit of slack everybody, because
So we're
the
walking
comments are
along
kind of
with
hard to find.
Tokyo Drew.
Lynn, good morning.
Today we'll follow his itinerary, walk around Takeshita Street, and we'll walk around Harajuku.
Takeshita, Dori, of course.
Swipe around your screen for 360. You'll see in front.
I am not
This is
using the gimbal. I'm
famous
using my
street.
Fuse 4 today. So, hey Elise, good morning. Yeah, let's go check it
Still
out.
11 a.m.
I am hungry, so
Feels
we
like
are going to
24
this,
degrees.
Pulled pork place that Ultraviolet actually knows about. It's from Sora News. They just announced it yesterday, I believe. But yeah, welcome to Takeshita Dori. I got to do a bit of shopping also. Thank you for posting TokyoPaul's channel. Connor, good morning. Oh yeah, this is that. Remember the other morning I was here and it was dead? Now it's actually busier and open, so let's go check it out here. 4 souvenir shops, little magnets. Of course, you got pretty cool. Like I said, when we come back here, check this wall goes last time I walked down here in the morning. Tokyo Story, I like that t-shirt actually. Looks like a Toy Story. This is Harajuku souvenir shop. By the way. Just I think we got, what, 25 people only? It's not my normal live streaming time of 9 a.m., but hopefully people will join in. Hit the like button! Absolutely. Oh, Olaf, I like this guy. I like Olaf. Minion guy, he's okay. But this is kind of near. We got some Gastropon going in there. Looks like Paul likes Gastropon. Jackie girl, how are you? Good morning. I'm trying to read the comments as best as I can. Hey Jason M, good morning, sir. I don't know what this is, but Gastropon. I've got to find some good Gastropon to send to somebody that's in the chat today. Oh, they got the Demon Slayer. All kinds of different things there. Hey Lemmy, good morning. There's Paul.
Hi, Libby.
So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys this little area. I think that camera you got is pretty cool, dude.
I like your gimbal too, dude.
Really?
Yeah.
That's a piece of shit.
I've googled
likes
it many times.
Gashapon.
First
Yeah.
time I'm here. It's a pretty interesting square.
How many ladies there would actually wear that T-shirt? That looks pretty cool.
What's up?
I don't know if I would wear it. Tina the Smart, good morning. So But yeah, you can see, like, you know, obviously it's a lot of
Joker t-shirt.
Fast lane. Look at that. Fast lane, ladies and gentlemen. Fast lane. Pushing people up there somewhere there. So, yeah, we can go walk around. The first thing that we're going to do right away, though, is we're going to use Toasty Guy's shop. It just opened up. Now, I forget the name of the other one. Another shop, a barbecue pit, I forget the name of it, opened up
McDonald's!
in Meguro. And
Whoa. Spicy burger. Look at that.
barbecue pork sandwich shop. And once you get there, you'll see it truly is a barbecue pork sandwich shop. Jason, Michigan, good morning. So, yeah, take it in, ladies and gentlemen. I'm just going to find this restaurant now. It's not very busy. Shops do open up here at 11 o'clock, so don't come before 11 a.m. And yeah, we'll probably just end up getting some crepes later on for dessert or something. I don't like crepes, but
That dude's kind of weird.
hey, Ken H, good morning. I'm trying to read your comments as best as I can, ladies and gentlemen. So, oh, they got big. They got big mama. Big mama.
Big mama.
Hilarious.